Hey everyone, I'm Troy Mayers, the Power Pack, and today we're going to answer the question, when should I use elk skin welding gloves? And the answer to that question is, it depends. It depends on the type of welding that you're doing. If you're stick welding, MIG welding, any other type of welding that generates a lot of heat and spark, well, your go-to option is going to be a cowhide welding glove. Elk skin happens to be in the cowhide family. If you find yourself wearing through your standard cowhide welding gloves frequently, you may want to upgrade and consider giving elk skin a try. Elk skin is one of the thickest leathers available. This makes it more resistant to heat, fire, and abrasion than cowhide, making elk skin the premium option. That said, it's worth noting that there is no universal welding glove. You need to pick your glove based on the kind of welding that you're doing. Let's say you're TIG welding or some other type of welding that requires you to feed a rod with your second hand. You're going to want a glove that's more dexterous and allows you to easily pick up and guide that rod. Elk skin probably isn't your best bet here. And that's it. Hope this helps. Be sure to like and follow for more content. And until next time, stay safe.